Let's talk about a big twist in global defense politics now. For years, we have all heard about Israel's Iron Dome, the missile shield that can shoot rockets out of the sky. And then the US floated the idea of a golden dome. But now Turkey has entered the game, and that too not quietly. Their president, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, has now unveiled Turkey's very own steel dome. And trust me, it's not just a name. Built by Turkish defense giants, this particular system promises to knock down drones, enemy missiles, and even fighter jets. You know what makes this different? It's AI driven, built on mobile launchers and controlled through a unified network, meaning that it can cover cities, borders, or even battlefields with surprising flexibility. This isn't just about defense, it is about power politics. Turkey is now saying, why should Israel and the US have the monopoly on air defense technology? We can build our own and maybe even better than them. Think about the timing too here. The Middle East is on the edge. With conflicts in Gaza, tensions in Iran, and Houthis firing missiles in the Red Sea. By announcing a $1.5 billion system right now, Turkey is sending a clear message to the world. We are ready, we can defend ourselves, and we don't depend on NATO or Washington to protect us. It's also about money and influence, you see. Defense exports are booming, and if Steel Dome really performs well, Turkey could soon sell it to its allies across Asia, Africa, and maybe even Europe. Imagine Ankara, not Washington, or Tel Aviv becoming the go-to hub for air defense tech. So, here's a big question. Is this really the end of Israel and America's dominance on missile defense? Or is Turkey just flexing muscles to boost its defense industry? Either way, the message is loud and clear. Erdogan wants Turkey to be seen as a military superpower, not just a NATO member.